Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the battery cage on your Casio Royale, so the AE-1200WH. So you are going to need a metallic pair of tweezers. Usually you can find one of these in the basic watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. And what you want to do is to take one tip of the metallic pair of tweezers and insert it right here in between these two pieces of plastic where we have the metallic part of the cage. So that is going to be the clip that is going to hold the watch battery cage together. So I'm going to insert it at a 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to push it towards the exterior, so towards the side. Now I'm going to use the other pair of tweezers, non-metallic, in order to replace the watch battery and so on. And in order to close the watch battery cage, we are going to press it down, and we are going to hear this clip make a small click sound. Just like that. And now the watch battery cage is closed. You can also make sure that the watch is working. Then we need to also do the AC reset and put the watch back together. In case you want to watch the full guide with the full battery replacement tutorial, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And also guys, if you found value from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next one.